Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. This is your mathematics period. In the last class, we have learned symmetry, reflection symmetry, lines of symmetry, and turning shapes. Here, we can discuss patterns. On your dress or your mother's sari, you can see some patterns. How we are getting patterns? By the repeated designs. If a special design is repeating by turning its position or by changing its direction clockwise or anti-clockwise, we will get some patterns. In this class, we can check some patterns, and observing the pattern, you have to complete the pattern by drawing some figures. Okay. So patterns can be made by repeating a design. I told by repeated designs we can make a pattern. Here you can see a same design is placed horizontally and then vertically, then horizontally. Then we will get a pattern. In the lower class you have learned like this pattern, and you can complete the next box. One circle, one star, then after one circle next one is one star. We can do the exercise, complete the pattern. So you can see 3 figures there, and fourth one we have to complete. How the figures are changing there? First arrow is turning 1/4. Then you will get second arrow. The next one is again turning 1/4 or a quarter turn. Then in the first box we can draw like this. Again the third arrow is rotating quarter. Then you will get this one, and in the next box you will get the first figure. This is the figures you have to complete in the boxes. Okay. Question B. Here this is one. Here it is on the upper position. Shaded part is on the upper position. Here lower. How it getting there? How it is getting there? It is getting by rotating a half turn. Is it? Not quarter turn. If it is turning a quarter, you will get the shaded portion like this. That means we will get a shaded portion like this, but it is a half turn. Okay. Again a half turn, next figure. Again we have to complete the figure in the box. Then again half turn we will get the shaded portion below. Next one is shaded portion above the line. Okay. So this is the way you have to complete the pattern. Very simple, but identify how much you want to rotate the figure. Here this question is, look for the design that does not fit in and correct it. Here you can see this figure is rotating anti-clockwise a quarter turn. Again this is rotating quarter turn anti-clockwise, you will get this figure. But if it is rotating again, we will have to get here this arrow, this is in the position, but it is not correct. So this figure we want to move from this pattern, and we will have to draw this arrow in the right side. Okay, like a figure we have to draw. Understood? In the question B, here this box is shaded. Next figure, again the down. Next figure, next one. The shading is going on a clockwise direction. But here After this we have to shade here, but here it is this position. So this figure we want to move. Okay. Then it change quarter turn, again quarter turn, next quarter turn, not this figure, it will have to like this. This is not the correct figure. So you have to identify which figure we have to move from the pattern and we should have to correct it. In the notebook we have to draw. Okay. Next our topic is number patterns. So we have found the pattern of some figures, but in the case of numbers, how we can form a pattern? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You know the pattern of consecutive natural numbers. Then what about 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? It is a pattern of odd numbers. It is getting by adding 2. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. also is a pattern of even numbers by adding 2. How you will get this pattern 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, etc. is very clear. Here to the first number we added 1, then we will get 2. Then next number we will get 2, then 2 plus 2, 4. 3 is adding to 4, that means 4 plus 3, 7. Then adding 4, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what will be the number next one in this pattern? 7 plus 4, 11. Next one we have to add 5. 11 plus 5, we will get 16. Next one 16 plus, which one we have to add? 6, 22. Like this pattern will move. Okay. So this 1, 2, 4, 7, etc. is an example for number pattern. In the next class, we will discuss more number patterns. Okay. What about your integrated project? Here you can see an example for pictograph. Like this, you can paste or draw the different food grains of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Okay, children. Thank you.